Good day, everyone. It's a Sunday, so happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome to my series documenting my progress on building a SaaS and my journey into entrepreneurship. This is the second video I'm posting about that. So, if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. While you're down there, it's the bell notification so as you don't miss any new video we drop. Sorry, this video came late, so I wanted to release this on Tuesday last week, but I was really busy, so I had to push it over to the weekend. So, in my previous video, I explained what this project is all about, what Test Genius does, and the main purpose of building this, and I also show you guys the initial UI that we had, and we've been working on the initial UI, right? So in today's video, I'll cover some new updates, which include these little UI changes, the authentication, right? The building of the backend with Django, and also the validation process that I started. With that being said, let's get into the video. So the first thing on the list is the UI updates. So I made some changes to the initial color and placement, just some adjustments to improve it. So I'm still deciding on a final color schema. So I might settle with black and white if I don't really get one, but still in the process, right? Still looking. Let's see how that goes, right? So the only major component that was let's go added, right, is the loading state, which gets shown on the screen, which is this right here. So this is the only changes that really occurred right on the screen, which is basically this loading state. And so the other UI changes are only connected with the authentication, right? So that brings us to our next point. The second on the list is the authentication. So I went with Auth0 since it integrates well with Django. So this means that we don't need to build a custom Auth UI anymore. I've looked online for a way to customize the Auth0 UI, but I haven't really gotten anything useful. And also, if you have any good article or video on this, drop them in the comments. I'll really appreciate your help. And secondly, also, I'm currently facing some issue using Auth0 and Django together, because I'll plan on using Django as the REST API, and because of this, I'm planning to switch to building the entire authentication in Django using Doza or Joza. Yes, Joza, that's it. And this will handle the login, registration, forgot password, and also the social authentication. Sorry, social authentication. The third thing on the list is the Django Backend. So I already started working on it, the authentication, creating the models. I don't really have anything to show you guys yet, so I'll probably be giving more details on that in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Also, the fourth on the list is the validation. So I realized that I jumped straight into building, right? We just building without validating the idea properly first or anything like that. But I've now that I'm taking a step towards that, and while building, I plan on doing that while building, which I already started. I reached out to a few couple of people and and I was able to get two calls. One will be taking place next week, Friday, Saturday, one of those two, and I'll be having one today later in the day. So the main purpose of this validation is to make sure that I'm not just building just one side project to get another job. No, I'm building something that developers actually need or would like to use or willing to pay for. So that's a wrap for all the updates for today's video. And from my perspective, I make some nice progress. So, and thanks for watching, everyone. So if you made it this far, I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also if you haven't already, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future updates. If you're interested in collaborating on these projects, drop a comment below. Let's build together. Bye guys, see you in the next video.